Think about everything you own online: your game skins, your digital content, your subscriptions. Now here's the reality. You don't actually own any of it. The moment access is gone, everything disappears. All digital assets today are controlled by platforms. You don't control them. You don't truly own them. And you can't transfer them freely. But what if digital ownership worked like real ownership? What if you could buy, sell, and actually own digital assets without depending on a platform? That's where NFTs come in. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, represent unique digital ownership secured on blockchain. Think of it like this. Instead of owning a file, you own proof of ownership. That ownership is stored securely, cannot be duplicated, and can be transferred anytime. An NFT marketplace is where all of this happens. Users can explore digital assets, list their own items, connect wallets, and complete transactions with ownership recorded on blockchain. A complete marketplace includes asset listing and discovery, secure wallet integration, smart contract-based transactions, royalty management, and user dashboards for tracking assets. This is already being used across industries: gaming, where players own in-game assets; music, where creators sell exclusive content; events, where tickets become digital assets; and brands, building loyalty and exclusive experiences. For enterprises, this is more than technology. It's a new business model, new revenue streams, deeper customer engagement, and ownership-driven ecosystems. But building an NFT marketplace requires more than just UI. It involves blockchain integration, secure smart contracts, scalable back-end systems, and seamless user experience. Because in the end, what matters is not just the idea, but how well the platform is built and how scalable it becomes. Digital ownership is changing, and the platforms that enable it will define the future of the internet. If you're exploring this space, it's time to build it right.